Karenditha Ameera Alexander from SD Azhar, Cairo, Palembang.
What's the very steady hair? What's the very steady hair? He was rapidly and saw that he was faster than a car. Yes, what's up there was a very speedy hair. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone and all the judges. My name is Karenditha Ameera Alexander. I'm from Islamic School Al-Azhar, Cairo, Palembang. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about the hare and the tortoise. Once upon a time, there lived a tortoise. He likes to go on a leisurely stroll by the edge of a big forest. One day, a hare kept bounding out towards him. Out of my way! You're so slow! No wonder why it took you so long to get anywhere! The tortoise looked up at the hare and said, I know, I could beat you every day. Beat me? Don't make me laugh! I'm so much faster than you! The hare laughed and mocked him. Then, a hedgehog walked by to see what was happening. Oh, hi, hedgehog! Do you think this tortoise could beat me in a race? Yes, he could. No, it is impossible! Then, a monkey passed by and heard the arguing. So guys, what's going on here? Oh, hi, monkey. Do you think this tortoise could beat me in a race? Could be. No, it is impossible. I'm the fastest animal in this jungle. Yeah, it is very simple. You can have a race with him. Okay, who's scared? All the animals came down to see them run. All the animals came down to see them run. With a vigorous begin and fast away that you can run. Oh yes, the animals came down to see them run. Ready, set, and go! Fast and slow, we will win, let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree, we will just wait and see. The hare went very quickly. And the tortoise went very slowly. All the animals cheered the race. Then the hare stopped to look back at the tortoise. You're so slow, tortoise. I'll take a nap here. She will follow with my race when I wake up. Then the tortoise kept running very slowly. Then he passed the place where the hare was sleeping. Come on, tortoise, you're getting closer, come on! And the hare heard the noise and jumped out of sleep. And then he saw that the tortoise was about to get closer to the finish line. So he went very quickly, trying to catch up. But do you know who won the race? Yeah, the tortoise won the race fair and square. Yay! Congratulations, tortoise. So from the story we could get a lesson. It is clear about being fast, nor slow. But slow and steady could win the race in every sphere of life. Okay, that's all of my story. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.